Have you ever wondered how to find Zelle in your banking app? Zelle has become one of the most popular ways to send and receive money, with more than 2,200 banks and credit unions across the U.S. now offering it directly within their mobile apps. This means you can send money to friends and family without ever having to leave your bank's app. What is Zelle and why is it in my banking app? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment network that allows you to send money directly to almost any U.S. bank account, typically within minutes. The key benefit is that it is integrated directly into many bank and credit union apps. This offers a seamless and secure experience because it uses the same security technology your bank already has in place to protect your account. The funds are transferred directly from your account to the recipient's account, so there's no need to move money to a separate app first. How to find and use Zelle. The process to find Zelle in your banking app is often very similar across different financial institutions. Here's a general step-by-step guide. Log into your app. First, open your bank's mobile app and sign in with your usual credentials. Navigate to the Payments section. Look for a section or menu item related to Pay and Transfer, Send Money, or Transfers. This is usually where you'll find options for sending money to others. Find the Zelle option. Within that section, you should see an option for Zelle. It might be labeled as Send Money with Zelle or simply Zelle. Enroll. If you haven't already, if it's your first time using Zelle, you'll be prompted to enroll. This involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and linking your U.S. mobile phone number or email address to your bank account. Start sending. Once enrolled, you can send money by selecting a contact from your phone or by entering their email address or U.S. mobile number. Remember, Zelle should only be used to send money to people you know and trust, as neither Zelle nor your bank offers purchase protection. It's that simple. With a few taps, you're ready to send and receive money securely with people you know. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.